Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create the perfect fringe bang wig. It's super easy, so if you're interested, continue watching. These are the bundles I'll be using. I'll be using some bonding glue, 2 stocking caps, some scissors, and a red tail comb. Just a little disclaimer, I did use some plastic underneath my hair just to protect my hair from the bonding glue. I'll be using 2 stocking caps. And this is the hair I'm going to be using. I'll be using only 2 bundles and it was enough for my whole head. This hair has a human hair feel, but it's synthetic. It's good enough for this kind of hairstyle. And now I'm going to measure the weft of my head, cut it, use some bonding glue, dry it with some hair dryer on low heat. And here I'm just showing you how the hair looks at the back. Put some glue, it should be tacky. Place the weft on your head. And use your hair dryer. Make sure it's on low heat because you don't want to burn your stocking cap. This process is quite repetitive. All you do is cut the hair, measure it, use some bonding glue and your hair dryer on low heat. I'll be doing this till I get to the top. It's quite easy, I promise. Now that I have reached the top, I'm just measuring or outlining with a marker where I want my bang to start from. At the back I was doubling my weft, but now I'll be using single weft because I don't want my bang or fringe to be bulky or too full. So place the weft and try and create a circle, cut it. Use your hair dryer. The aim here is to create a small circle up until we get to the bang. So repeat this over and over up until you get to the center. I'll be closing the tiny circle with the closure I created with the same hair. Take a piece of hair, put some glue on it, and roll the hair. This is what we are using for our closure. Roll it. Don't forget to hair dry it on low heat and place it on your head like so. You can also use your straightener to make sure it is flat and just comb the hair. I know I look kind of crazy here, but trust the process. I'm just gonna comb the hair, put the hair aside that you won't be using. Just use your hair dryer for extra protection. Separate the hair, and you can also use a scrunchie to separate the hair that you won't be using. And this part, I'm just taking bits of hair that I'll be using for my bang. Okay, this is where the fun starts. You can actually customize your bang the way you want, the way it can actually fit your frame. And you can use some razors or scissors. I opted for scissors, and I'm just gonna cut my hair like so. Use some straightener to curl your bang. Continue cutting up until you get to your desired bang. Customize the bang the way you want. Have fun with it. Take your time. Please do not cut yourself. Take your time. When I say take your time, girl, please take your time. Use your straightener more if you need to. And yeah, just have fun with it. This was super easy and super quick. And this is how the final look came out. I'm so happy. It was very hot here, so I had to straighten the hair more and comb it. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely free. Also, please don't forget to tag me on the socials if you create this hairstyle. I am ivypule on all my socials: TikTok, Instagram, and also on Twitter X. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate the love and support. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with a friend, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!